Hello friends, let's solve today this interesting math Olympiad problem. We know that a squared minus b squared equal 9 and ab equal 3 and we need to find a plus b. From the second equation we can find b. It will be 3 divided by a. Then let's put this expression to the first equation. Then we'll get a squared minus 9 divided by a squared equal 9. Then let's multiply the both sides of this equation left and right by a squared. Then we'll get a to the power 4 minus 9 equal 9a squared. Now let's move the 9a squared to the left side. Then we'll get a to the power 4 minus 9a squared minus 9 equals 0. Then let's write that a squared equal x. Then we'll get this equation. X squared minus 9x minus 9 equals 0. To solve this equation, I'm going to use quadratic formula. In our case, m equal 1, n equal minus 9, and c equal also minus 9. Then, if we use this formula, we are going to get 9 plus minus square root 81 minus 4 multiplied by minus 9, and everything divided by 2. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 9 will be 36. 36 plus 81 will be 117. So we have found the two possible solutions for x. Now let's return our a squared because x equal a squared. Then we'll get a squared equal 4.5. 9 divided by 2 will be 4.5 plus square root 117 divided by 2. As you can notice here we have two possible solutions, plus and minus. However, if we use minus, this right term will be negative because this term is around 5.4. So 4.5 minus 5.4 will be negative value. But on the right side we have a squared. So a squared cannot be negative because it's squared. So the negative solution is false, so we cannot use it. That's why I wrote here plus. So we have found the value for a squared. Now let's find the value for b squared. So if we look at the second equation, now we can find, instead of b, we can find a, and it will be equal 3 divided by b. Then if we put this expression to the first equation, we'll get 9 divided by b squared minus b squared equal 9. And then we are going to solve it exactly the same as we solved here, and we are going to get the value for b squared. It will be minus 4.5 plus square root 117 divided by 2. Here we also cannot use minus, because if we use minus, this right side will be negative, and b is squared, so it cannot be negative. So the only solution here is when it's plus. So now we have found the value for a squared and b squared, but we need to find the value for a plus b. So, so to find a plus b, we are going to use this formula. A plus b squared equal a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So instead of a squared, we are going to put this value. Instead of b squared, we are going to put this value. And instead of ab, we are going to put this value. Then we will get a plus b squared equal 4.5 plus square root 117 divided by 2 minus 4.5 plus square root 117 divided by 2 plus 6. And 4.5 minus 4.5 will be 0. And these two terms we can simply sum. Then the 2 will be reduced. Then all this expression can be written as square root 117 plus 6. So it means a plus b squared equal square root 117 plus 6. Then to find a plus b, we are going to square root both sides. Then we'll get a plus b equal plus minus common square root. Inside the common square root, we have square root 117 plus 6. Also, we can write that 117 is 9 multiplied by 13. Then we can write, instead of 117, 3 multiplied by square root 13. So this is our final solution for this problem. Leave in a comment if you were able to solve this problem. There are several ways to solve this problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more math videos.